Hello again, welcome to MasterCAM course. In that lecture, we're going to talk about roughing process. Let's remember that we are creating our roughing process. While we are creating our roughing process, actually, we prefer to use the extend our face like this. And then we also create that kind of and extended faces to save our sharp edges. And then we also create some entry motion circle here. This is our tool, entry motion. And then we organize our process. Let me hit the parameters. After that, we can turn to the absolute parameters. We can organize and minus 0.5 millimeter and minus 71. And then we also activate the entry ramp, and we can also activate use entry point. After that, as you remember, we created our roughing process. And after that process, actually, we can turn to here and we can use the right mouse button, mill toolpath, and then I prefer to use actually transform toolpath. And this is actually surface rough pocket. As a type, I need to select the rotate, and then we need to turn to the rotate. When we turn to the rotate, actually, there are two options, angel between and total sweep. I prefer to use the total sweep. And then I'm going to create instances like this one. And then I'm going to start from 0 degree. This is the x-axis actually. And then this is my total degree. This is the 360. And then I just need to hit OK button. Okay, it is calculated. Let me check my toolpath. You're going to see that all toolpath is created like this. So if you change that toolpath, actually, all that rotate toolpath is going to calculate it automatically. So thank you very much.